You guys, we're talking game changers today. Imagine a world where your business can operate at lightning speed, where decisions are made with pinpoint accuracy, and where your team is empowered to focus on what truly matters. AI. It's not just some futuristic fantasy, it's here right now, transforming the way we work and live. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights, AI is the catalyst for innovation, and it's rewriting the rules of the game for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a startup or a multinational corporation, AI is leveling the playing field, offering tools and capabilities that were once out of reach. We're talking about automating the boring stuff, but also think bigger. Imagine freeing up your team's time to focus on creative, strategic work that drives growth and innovation. AI can personalize your marketing like never before, delivering tailored messages to the right audience at the right time, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Make your operations crazy efficient, reducing costs and increasing productivity. Imagine a world where your business processes are streamlined and your team can focus on what they do best and help you understand your customers on a whole new level. With AI, you can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover trends and insights that were previously hidden, allowing you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about giving you superpowers. AI is here to augment your capabilities, helping you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Welcome to the future of business. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine walking into a store and boom, they already know your style, your size, even what you're looking for before you do. It's like having a personal shopper who knows you better than you know yourself. This isn't some far-off future, it's happening right now thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. That's AI in action. It's not just about making things easier, it's about transforming the entire shopping experience. Imagine a world where your preferences are understood and catered to seamlessly, where every interaction feels personal and meaningful. It's about data, understanding it, and using it to create experiences that feel tailor-made. Businesses are leveraging vast amounts of data to predict trends, understand customer behavior, and make informed decisions. This data-driven approach is revolutionizing how companies operate, making them more efficient and customer-centric. Businesses that get this, that embrace the power of AI, they're the ones who are going to win. They're not just surviving, they're thriving in a competitive landscape. By integrating AI into their operations, they're able to innovate faster, respond to market changes more effectively, and deliver unparalleled value to their customers. We're talking about a level of personalization and efficiency that was unthinkable just a few years ago. AI is enabling businesses to offer products and services that are perfectly aligned with individual needs and preferences. This level of customization is creating loyal customers who feel understood and valued. This isn't just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about creating a whole new curve. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's reshaping industries, redefining customer expectations, and setting new standards for what is possible. The future belongs to those who are willing to embrace this technology and harness its full potential.
Let's be real. Nobody likes waiting on hold, right? It's frustrating, time-consuming, and can leave customers feeling undervalued. In today's fast-paced world, people expect quick and efficient service. They want their issues resolved immediately, without the hassle of long wait times or being transferred from one department to another. AI-powered chatbots, they're the answer. These intelligent virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service. Available around the clock, they ensure that your customers get the help they need, whenever they need it. No more waiting on hold or dealing with grumpy agents. They can handle those basic questions, the FAQs, and free up your human team to tackle the complex stuff. Imagine your skilled employees focusing on more critical tasks, while the chatbots efficiently manage routine inquiries. This not only boosts productivity but also enhances job satisfaction among your staff. It's about providing instant gratification, meeting your customers where they are, 24/7. Whether it's early in the morning or late at night, your customers can get immediate responses. This level of service builds trust and loyalty, showing that you value their time and business. And the best part? These bots, they're learning all the time. With every interaction, they gather data, analyze it, and improve their responses. This continuous learning process means that the service they provide gets better and better, They get smarter with every interaction, providing even better service over time. It's a win-win. Your customers are happy with the quick, efficient service, and your business benefits from increased efficiency and customer satisfaction. Embrace the future of customer service with AI-powered chatbots.
Forget about spraying and praying with your marketing. AI lets you target your ideal customer with laser precision. We're talking about analyzing data, understanding their behavior, and delivering the right message at the right time. No more wasted ad spend, no more hoping for the best. AI takes the guesswork out of it, allowing you to connect with your audience on a deeper level and drive real results.
AI-powered email marketing platforms inbox magic. You know those emails that seem like they were written just for you? That's the power of AI-powered email marketing platforms. They segment your audience, personalize your messages, and even optimize your send times to maximize engagement. We're talking about open rates and click-throughs that will blow your mind. This isn't just about sending more emails, it's about sending smarter emails that actually convert.
Predictive analytics. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine knowing what your customers are going to want before they even do. AI can analyze past data to forecast future trends, allowing you to optimize your inventory, your staffing, your entire operation. This is about getting ahead of the curve, anticipating needs, and always being one step ahead. It's like having a crystal ball for your business.
Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and buy every AI tool under the sun. It's about finding the right tools for your specific business needs and your budget. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to try new things. The beauty of AI is that there's always something new to learn and explore.
We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do. The future is all about staying curious, staying informed, and being adaptable. The businesses that embrace this mindset, that are willing to experiment and evolve, they're the ones who are going to thrive in the age of AI.
Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The future of business is AI-powered, but here's the good news. You don't need to be a tech genius to leverage its power. Start exploring, experiment with different tools, and see what works for you. The possibilities are limitless. Don't sleep on this. Your future success might depend on it. Now go out there and crush it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.